Okay, on for our next make and take and play with this little neat little thing. So what I've done is I've taken a plastic bag and styling gel, clear styling gel. I put the styling gel in the bag and I put some buttons and some beads and some glitter. And then I take a piece of tape, clear tape, and I've closed it up here. And this is really neat because you could play with this for hours. It's really good for the small ones, for sensory, have them touching the buttons and moving them around. And it's just like kind of a neat little thing to play with. And like I said, you could put whatever you want in here and you could use this over and over. Just make sure you seal the top. Even though it's it's got the little zip tie on the top, you want to take a clear piece of tape and put it over there so that your gel doesn't leak out. And this is, like I said, great for sensory, for playing, relaxing, move the buttons around. So it's a great little toy and a great little thing you can make at home with your kids, and hours of entertainment. We're looking for neat things to make and easy, simple, and fun.